We got a new carpet cleaner. I want to clean this level so that I can prep to clean the carpets tomorrow. All right, guys, it's the next day and I'm planning on starting in the girls' room because I want to clean their carpet and make sure that it dries by the time they get home. So the plan is to start here, then work our way to the movie room and then end with our bedroom. But before I get to cleaning their carpet, I've got to clean their room. It is a mess yet again.
Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, or say bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya.
All right, guys, so I picked up everything that was on the floor of the girls' room. I am not cleaning their room. When they get home from school, they are responsible for cleaning this mess because it's out of control and they know what they're responsible for. So I just picked up everything off the floor. I'm vacuuming to make sure that I get any debris off the floor before I start cleaning with the carpet cleaner. Now that the vacuuming is done, I'm ready to unbox my Hoover Smartwash Pet Complete Carpet Cleaner. We purchased this carpet cleaner through Walmart.com for about $270. guys, this is my new Hoover Smart Wash carpet cleaner. This part right here is a spot wash wand where you can spray concentrated pre-treating solution. This is a separate container for the cleaning solution. This is the water tank, and then this is the dirty water tank.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I am moved to the left, I am moved to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good.
But otherwise, it's looking pretty good. There's some spots that are just really set in like some sort of marker or something. All right, guys, let's move on to the movie room.
I'm a mess. Don't know how I got here, but I'm blessed.
like I'm old news in your rearview mirror. It must be nice, you went and got a penthouse. All your friends partying is real loud. Brand new money with a brand new chest. Still a baby bird price, straight off the nest like you. Could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't. How can I believe you when everything is see-through, see-through? Everything is see-through, see-through. Everything is see-through, see-through. Everything is see-through. How can I believe it? When everything is seen, go home. You said things could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't.
Alright guys, so this is how the movie room is looking. I think it did a pretty darn good job. It's looking really good, especially this area by the stairs. I think it did better than the carpet cleaner we hired like last year. And now that I have my own carpet cleaner, I can clean it as often as I would like. All right guys, so I had planned on doing the bedroom as well, but so much of the carpet is wet that I might clean the bedroom carpet another day. And I also have to do the stairs, so definitely not doing the stairs today. It's 2 o'clock, so the girls will be coming home in about an hour. All right guys, so I think that's gonna be it for me today. Today I want to tackle the stairs. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get all of the stairs done, but I at least want to do the upper level stairs today, and then maybe do the lower level a different day when I'm cleaning the bottom level of the house. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'm really enjoying our Hoover Smart Wash. It's doing a great job. And now I'm going to see how the stair attachment works and see if that does as good a job as the main part of the vacuum. So I'm really excited to give it a try, and you guys will come along with me and check it out too. All right, guys, let's get to it.
Ricky Baker. Esa bebé te flow de acusa. Hasta todas el armario de Medusa no la usa ni una vez. Ya los usa, yeah. Recontan guitarra, mate. Te ves bien. Y más al lado de mi cama, one night stand. En las cabañas de Punta Cana, más fluía, fluía. Que ya invité a marihuana, fluía, fluía. Y las dos se quieren comer. Empezamos en la cama y terminamos en la playa. Alguna de guaro que esa nunca nos falla. No quiere nada serio, por eso no se raya. Por eso no se raya. Bichota, tú, no me trates de usted. Que te lo he comido como dice. Esto va pa' YouTube, nuestra peli del set. No me digas que le guste. Te ves bien. No me sale de mi cama, one night stand. En las cabañas de Punta Cana, más fluía, fluía. Que ya invité a marihuana, más fluía, fluía. Y las dos se quieren como hermanas. Rica neta que te bañas. Y todos esos patos con ganas de verte. Yo te tengo toda la semana. Eso que lo hacemos de viernes a viernes. Tú dime cómo es que la vuelta. De los 30 días, baby, le damos los 30. Ya todos saben, el booty no está en venta. Porque ella sola lo sustenta. Esa bebé te flow de acusa. Hasta es el armario de Medusa, no la usa ni una vez. Ella los usa, le contan guitarra, mate. Estés bien, yo más al lado de mi cama, one night stand. En las cabañas de Punta Cana, fluía, fluía. Ella invité a marihuana, fluía, fluía. En las cabañas de Punta Cana, fluía, fluía. Que ella invité a marihuana, fluía, a mí fluía. Y las dos se quieren como hermanas. Inicio, Ricky Baker, Cero y papá.
So, this is the pet attachment. So we're not going to be using that. Here is the stair attachment. And you just connect it to the hose. And in the bag comes the hose. Ugh.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive, get down and dirty, act like a bad guy. You want some love, you like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I could? I'm not home. Can we trust the stars to come to let us know?
Let me know in the comments if you guys have the Hoover smartwash and if you like it. And yeah, that'll be it for me today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly.